What's going on, guys? Nico Moreno here, and in today's video we're going to talk about a new chatbot sequence that I've been using for my Facebook group lately, and it's been working pretty well. Now, before we get started on the video today, what I want to do is I want to invite you to click the subscribe button down below if you're brand new to the channel. That way you'll get notified every single time that I upload a new video, and you can stay up to date. And make sure to hit the bell to stay updated on all the free content that I keep putting out. I'm also going to drop links down below to my Messenger Bots course, to a free resource guide for a quick Messenger Bot setup guide, if you want to download that as well. I'm going to put all the links down in the description box below, as well as a couple other links of things I think you'll find helpful and enjoyable. All right, so let's get started in today's video. Now, what I want to do is I want to show you guys a Messenger bot. Let me go over to my Facebook group here. And so this is a bot sequence that I actually learned this strategy from one of my good friends, Luis. So he was the one who first showed me this strategy. I tweaked it a little bit, and let's see, this should be the right group here. Yes, so what I did was I created a brand new chatbot sequence. I'm going to show you guys exactly what that looks like inside my ManyChat account in just a second. But what I want to do is I want to show you guys how people get into this Messenger bot sequence in the first place, and particularly how you can use a Facebook group to grow your Messenger bot list pretty much on autopilot, okay? So this is gonna be great for you if you're someone who has a Facebook group already, or if you're thinking of starting a new Facebook group, okay? So this is gonna be a really great way to not only build your Facebook group, number one, but also build your Messenger bot list as well at the very same time. All right, so this is a really cool strategy, and I'm gonna break it down right now. So I think what's gonna be most helpful in explaining this is I'm gonna show you guys kind of what people see when they request to join the Facebook group, okay? So this is how people will get into my bot. So we see right here, because I'm the admin of this group, of course, I can see all the member requests here. And so what happens is, for those of you who, maybe you don't have a Facebook group yet, what you're able to do as the creator of the Facebook group, you can ask new members 3 questions, up to 3 questions if you want, that they have to answer in order to approve them into the group. Now they can leave them blank, but you don't have to, then it's up to you if you want to accept them or not. So you can see not everyone's gonna actually fill this out. It says it hasn't answered questions yet, but this is a really great way to ask your new members questions about what they want to learn, what they're here, why did they join your group in the first place. And you can also do a super cool Messenger bot strategy that I'm about to show you guys right now. So we'll see right here, these are the questions that people get asked. Step number 1, step 2, step 3. So these right here, these are the questions that I have set up as the creator of this Facebook group that are required for people to answer when they want to join the Facebook group. All right. So I've got step 1, welcome to this free FB community. What's the number 1 thing you want to learn about? So that's just me welcoming them into this group. And because I also want to know, what's the number 1 thing that they're curious to learn about? Why did they join this group in the first place? So a lot of times people will say different things. A lot of times they'll say well, I just want to use Messenger bots. But this is going to be a really, really great way, really powerful and easy way to collect customer research. Now we've got step number 2, and this is where the Messenger bot comes in, all right? So what I've got right here is I said step 2, copy and paste this direct link into your browser to get the group password, and this is required, okay? So then I've got a bit.ly link. This is in the description right here. So what they do is they're supposed to copy this bit.ly link right here and then take it over here. We'll put it in I'll show you guys what happens when they do that. Okay, it's being a little bit slow. So I'm just going to show you guys what the actual Messenger bot, what the sequence is. Okay, so this is the ref URL right here. So what I did was I created a growth tool that's a ref URL. Okay, so anyone who goes to this URL is going to be, they're going to be served up this message right here that I created. So what I did, I created a Messenger ref URL. Now, if you don't know what that is or how to create that, it's very, very simple. You would just go into your ManyChat account, click to create a new growth tool, and you would select Messenger ref URL. I've also got plenty of other videos on my channel or around this group, depending on whether you're watching this on YouTube or Facebook, that show you how to do this as well. But basically what I did was so I'm going to edit this right here. And this is how I set the message right here. So basically I wanted to understand, or I wanted to create this message that's going to make sense for people when they are getting the message right here, okay? So basically, I had to think to myself, okay, this is how people are going to be getting into my bot. They're going to see this question, they want to join my Facebook group, and they're going to be copying and pasting this link here, and then the bot is going to message them. So with that in mind, what do I want the bot to say, right? So basically what I did here was I said, welcome, first name. Thanks for requesting to join our group. To make sure this is not just another junk FB group, we make sure we only add people who are excited to be a part of this free community and who aren't spammers. Here is the password for entry. Then I have a new message that says bananas. And then it says just copy and paste this password into the question number 3 and we'll add you in right away. See you soon. And then I've got a button that just takes them back to the same link to this Facebook group here. All right, so that's it. So basically all they do is they copy this password right here. Then you see a lot of people have pasted it in. Some people didn't do it, and not everyone does it. Not everyone understands really, but so it's super simple, and that just makes sure that people are serious and they actually want to join this group. Because you've probably seen there's tons and tons of Facebook groups around, and a lot of times you just request to join them, but you don't actually really care that much. So I just wanted to make sure that the people who join this group are actually going to take it seriously. They're going to interact, they're going to contribute, they're going to ask questions, and they're going to have fun in the group. And second, I also wanted to grow my messenger bot list pretty much on autopilot, right? So now whenever anyone joins this Facebook group here or requests to join, they're going to get, assuming that they actually click get started and they actually subscribe to this bot here, then they're going to be added into my messenger bot as well. Okay, so very cool, and I highly recommend that you do this. Okay, it's been working pretty well for me. And again, right here we've just got step 3, which just says, what is the password from step 2? Thank you for keeping our group spam free. So basically I just really want to make sure that the group is not a spam fest, which, as you've probably seen, if you're in a couple other Facebook groups, they can get pretty spammy pretty quick. So this is a great way to just keep those types of people out. So again, highly recommend that you do this. I learned this from my friend Luis, and it's been working really well for me. So if you have a Facebook group, or if you're thinking of starting one, this is a great way to go ahead and do it, okay? And final thing is, all I did was I pasted, to get that bit.ly URL, all I did was I went back here to, where is it? So once you've created and saved your ref URL, then all you do is you go to the setup step right here, and then you'll have this messenger ref URL. You just copy this, and you can put that in right here if you want to, but I just create a bit.ly link. So bit.ly is a link shortener if you haven't ever used that before. You just paste this in, and then it'll shorten the link to something much shorter like that. So they can just easily copy and paste it in, and then they'll start interacting with your chatbot. All right, so thanks so much, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys got a ton of value out of it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button down below to get more awesome free content from me. And also, please leave me a comment down below if you've got any more questions, if you want to understand how this could work for you, or if you have a Facebook group, then also please let me know down below. And really appreciate you guys. Let me know if you guys have any other questions, and I will see you guys on the next video.